Sex in space is a topic that has captivated the public's imagination for decades, with the prospect of prolonged space travel and the potential for colonization on other planets. The question of whether humans can engage in sexual activity in the zero-gravity environment of space becomes increasingly relevant. One of the primary concerns about sex in space is the impact of microgravity on human physiology. It is unclear how the lack of gravity would affect the mechanics of sexual intercourse and the ability to achieve and maintain arousal. Without the force of gravity, would couples be able to stay connected and experience pleasure in the same way as they would on Earth? These are important questions that scientists and researchers are working to understand as space exploration advances. Another consideration is the potential psychological and emotional implications of sex in space. Living and working in the confined quarters of a spacecraft or a space station can already be challenging for astronauts, and adding the complexity of intimate relationships and sexual activity to the mix could have far-reaching effects. Maintaining healthy and supportive relationships is critical for long-duration space missions, and understanding the impact of sex in space on individuals and interpersonal dynamics is essential for the well-being of space travelers. While there are currently no official policies or guidelines regarding sex in space, it is widely recognized that addressing this issue is important for the future of space exploration. As humans venture further into the cosmos, our understanding of sex in space will undoubtedly evolve, and it will be essential to develop the necessary infrastructure and support systems to accommodate the natural desires and needs of astronauts. Ultimately, the potential for sex in space raises profound questions about the human experience beyond the confines of Earth. It prompts us to consider how our innate drive for connection and intimacy may manifest in the extraterrestrial environment, and challenges us to develop a comprehensive understanding of the physical, psychological, and emotional aspects of human sexuality in space. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, the topic of sex in space will undoubtedly remain a subject of fascination, debate, and scientific inquiry as we strive to understand the full scope of the human experience in the cosmos.